slowly do things. Oh, here we go. We're live.
Come on.
All right, guys, you know who this is. Brought her some gifts, so we just wanted to show off some of these awesome people that have had my back ever since Food Network.
Thank you.
So I can't even get that out.
Okay,
so
look,
we're not
this is
even
what
gonna
I'll do.
worry
This is what I'll do. A little flip.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get the flip in.
Okay, it's really heavy.
Yep.
You got it?
You got it. Yep. There you go. Okay.
So, John Boost, those guys are amazing.
Wow.
And then also,
Look at that.
my friends at Dullstrong wanted to send you some cool stuff to take home.
What?
So you've got some amazing sharp knives here.
Oh my gosh, my brother is gonna be so jealous.
I love these guys. They have been absolutely amazing. But and this is the Shogun series, so I mean this is like the super high end.
Yeah. My dad he cooks all the time, and when I go show him this, he's gonna be like, okay, how do I get this?
It's got a little pen there. And
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like beveled and wood grain. Those are beautiful.
Yeah, they're amazing.
Wait, I'm actually kind of a nerd about this kind of stuff. So hold on, let me just.
Yeah,
I just gotta feel it really quick. Like you are right on.
Check
This
that
is
out.
amazing. The weight of this.
The funny thing about this, like I had a food truck for a while, and my mom got on the truck, and I'm like, listen, you have to be careful with these knives. Like, yeah, I've used a knife before, so she's experienced. I can't tell her anything. So first thing she does is just nicks herself, and she just sits there holding it. I'm like, get it away from everything.
Food,
Yeah. So
and these kind of knives, like the second, they can go so deep, so fast.
yeah.
Feel how heavy. Well, here, Facebook Liver, give me your hand.
Wow,
Feel how
that's
heavy
so
that
heavy.
is.
I like that
That's
it's
amazing,
interactive.
though. It's like weighted.
That's
Oh yeah,
incredible.
they're beautiful, and I mean they just slice everything, especially with the board. They sit some oils as well, so I mean they're perfect.
I love how it's
such a great
burned on
combination.
this side.
And the
Okay,
last thing, just
How do
shove
you-
that pin right back in there, and then you don't have to worry about stabbing yourself.
Anyway, oh,
Yep.
Got
You're
it.
set. You're set. And then the last thing.
I've never received a gift like this before.
So cool.
I hope this
is the
fits.
first time.
Look at that.
What? How did you get that?
Isn't that awesome?
Oh my gosh! Wait, how did you get
I've got
this?
some cool connections, so I was able to have them send me something.
Oh my gosh, my sister's gonna be so jealous. 7 is my favorite.
We had no idea,
Oh my gosh.
yeah, she's like, 7, it's God's word, like it'll be great.
Oh my gosh, y'all, seriously. Thank you. Thank you. This is amazing. Okay, well, what I have to offer you is great.
Fantastic, that's awesome.
We have a couple shirts for you guys, too.
Awesome, very cool.
So,
I would love to get that signed. This is kind of like what I have.
I will. I'll do it. I'll do whatever you want. This is amazing right here.
Thank you. I'm
Like,
glad you like that. I was just
I've
praying.
never
it was all
gotten
right.
gifts like this
Oh
before.
yeah. Well, good.
Yeah.
I want to see you use them too. I want to see like
I'll
the next time
post-
you go home.
Yeah. Do you ever see the videos of my dad and I cooking?
I haven't seen one of you and your dad yet. I follow you on
Okay.
Instagram, so I see a lot of just.
If you
chaotic-
scroll way, if you scroll way to the bottom before, there's a lot of videos of us
Oh, really?
cooking.
Cool.
I love it, and when I show him these knives, he's gonna.
That's
freak out.
awesome.
Like,
Very cool.
and the board. I might have to get him one made, like as a birthday present.
Oh
You
yeah.
want to put, like, thank you, Mike, or something? Or, like,
Yeah, is that okay?
Absolutely. Yeah.
address
Whatever you
to
want to do.
Is that cool?
I'm not too picky. I can't tell you how many people have been hitting me up that people I don't even talk to on a regular basis. Like, oh, I heard the news.
You like that? Full tummy?
Absolutely. That is awesome. Very cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, I think it's time to go make up some plates.
Yeah, let's do it.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
That is really kind.